On Sunday morning, after a long, stressful week at work, I decided to invite my close friends to a Hotpot buffet. The restaurant is located in a small street with no noisy signs or bright lights, but from the first step into the restaurant, I felt the warmth and closeness. And the most special thing came from a small corner of the dining table, where 3 beautiful girls in my group were busily preparing the dipping sauce. That scene made me pause for a moment, because in the scene filled with the fragrant smell of hot pot, the image of 3 girls sitting next to each other, each with their own job, mixing the dipping sauce for the whole group really brought a very family feeling. The first girl wore a black shirt, long hair, half-tied. Her hands quickly chopped garlic. Each stroke of the knife was decisive, regular, neat, and the smell of fresh garlic spread throughout the table. The second girl sat right next to her, carefully mixing the fish sauce. She squeezed the lemon with her bare hands, gently, slowly, so as not to stick the seeds, then added a little sugar, chopped chili, cooled boiled water, and stirred well. The dipping sauce gradually turned into a beautiful cockroach brown color, with a faint smell of delicious fish sauce, mixed with the slightly sour lemon flavor and the spicy aroma of chili. The last girl was quieter, peeling each clove of garlic, slicing ginger, and pounding it in a mortar. Then the hot pot was brought out. A steaming hot pot, clear broth, simmered from chicken bones and mushrooms, lightly fragrant, not greasy at all. Taking the first sip of the broth, I clearly felt the light sweetness, not too strong, not too spicy, but gentle like a gentle background music. The toppings were displayed next, a full, clean, fresh tray. There are fresh tiger prawns, chicken, enoki mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, chicken thigh mushrooms, tofu, bean curd skin, baby corn, taro cut into small pieces, cabbage rolls. All are prepared, beautifully presented, ready for anyone to dip in whatever they like. I have never seen a vegetable stall that is as large, clean, and rich as this one. The vegetables are clearly divided into areas: hot pot vegetables, raw vegetables, shredded vegetables for salad. There are chrysanthemum greens, Chinese cabbage, amaranth, Malabar spinach, pennywort, water spinach, fish mint, water spinach, young sweet potato leaves, perilla, basil, bean sprouts. Each type is washed, drained, and stored in a stainless steel tray with a layer of ice underneath. Looking at it is refreshing, fresh as if just picked from the garden. Not stopping there, the restaurant also thoughtfully prepares purple cabbage, cucumbers, onions, all of which are thinly sliced and placed next to salad dressings such as roasted sesame sauce, sweet and sour vinegar sauce, honey mustard sauce. For those who do not want to eat a high-protein hot pot, just take the vegetables, mix the salad, and you will have a light, refreshing, and nutritious meal. A big plus is that the vegetables here are seasonal, so they're always guaranteed to be fresh and delicious and not boring. Every time you visit, you will have the opportunity to try new vegetables. Sometimes it is young galangal leaves, sometimes there is watercress, cassava leaves, or even morning glory flowers. For those who like to eat healthy or clean vegetables, this is truly paradise. Sitting in the airy space, eating fresh vegetable hot pot with sweet broth, sipping some homemade dipping sauce, and chatting with friends, I feel like time slows down a beat. All the pressure disappears. The meal is not only delicious, but also a sophisticated experience, wrapped in simplicity and meticulousness. Vegetable hot pot buffet, seemingly simple, but when cooked with care and brought to a closed space, becomes a memorable culinary destination. If you are too familiar with greasy food, meat and fish, then try a day of changing direction. Choose green vegetables, choose lightness, and who knows, you will find that meal that day is surprisingly delicious.